If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
This is a Craft Wok 14-inch carbon steel hand-hammered wok. This wok is made of 15-gauge steel and has a round bottom to make it sturdy and durable. The steel helper handle will not burn when you stir-fry over high heat, also helpful for hanging the wok for storage. The wooden handle has special hygroscopic, not slippery surface for a tight grip when you stir-fry. Instructions for easy seasoning are included with the wok. Our customer service is ready to guide you through the process whenever you need it. Craft Wok originally designed this wok in 2014. We are a team of professionals drawn together by our passion for the carbon steel wok. Our mission is to bring you as much pleasure from stir-frying in a wok as chefs get in restaurants across the world. To do this, we found the best deals from reputable manufacturers in China. Our range of branded products is 100% authentic traditional carbon steel woks. Craft Wok, love wok.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart collection of Chef's Classic cookware. It's a beautifully designed cookware that's made out of all stainless steel. It has some fabulous features. It has a wide grip helper handle on some larger pieces. It has a really nicely contoured stainless handle on so that you can lift and carry it. The other thing is that it has a nice rivets here. The handles are all riveted on. Like I said, it's all stainless steel inside, and that's really great where you're going to be doing classic style cooking. So if you're going to do any kind of reduction or you're going to be deglazing a pan, this is a perfect piece to use for that. Additionally, it has an encapsulated bottom, so it's all stainless on the outside, and inside of this encapsulated bottom is aluminum, which does a great job conducting heat while you're cooking. The other thing that's really nice is that we have this nice rim here that allows you to pour out items from your pan and it won't drip. This cookware is very versatile. It can go from the refrigerator to the oven, from the oven to the table because it's beautiful to look at. And then the other thing is that it can go right in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. When you use it in the oven, because this is an all stainless product, it can go into the oven at temperatures up to 550 degrees. And that's really, really great if you're going to do any kind of top browning or broiling in the cookware. It comes in a great assortment from saute pans to pots to pans to all the way up to a large stock pot, which is great for making any kinds of sauces or stews. It's a really great versatile line of cookware. The lids are beautifully designed. They have a really nice tight fit on them, so when you put them on, all of the nutrients and moisture is kept inside. It has a high arch handle, so when you're lifting the lid up, you don't hit your knuckles on the top of the lid and burn them. It also has really nice wide grip handles on the pots. And it's a great choice for an everyday cook who loves to cook anything from classic style to more modern cuisines.